Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein from 10 Minute Trades. This week's Trade of the Week, a very unusual one, so keep watching. So we had our first live stream today on YouTube, and during the live stream, we decided to take a magnet trade with a live market. That's our Trade of the Week. We've been teaching a lot about the magnet. The high of the day pulls the price into it. That's one of our magnets, a high of the day. As we were giving the live stream, I noticed that the ES had been moving up, moving up, moving up. I set up the trade. I expected fully for the price to eventually hit the high of the day. I wasn't sure it would take place during our webinar. And of course, it was an extra bonus because we were teaching about that setup. Let me try to get the exact spot here. Our fill, as the market starts to move, the idea of a magnet is you want your fill to be before you get to the magnet, so that when you get to the magnet, that's where your targets are going to sit, and that's how you're going to get your profit. So watch, all of a sudden, the market's going to start pushing up. I was getting ready to start a lesson, and then the ES just did a quick little push. So we're going to wait for it here because it's not going to be very long. Here comes our fill. It's going to hit that line. I drew the magnet in. It puts my orders a little bit higher than I wanted. So I'm going to pull them down a tiny bit to be under the magnet by a couple of ticks. As you'll see, I'm going to do it any second now. Here we go. Just pull those orders down a little bit. The idea is get your first target before you actually get to the magnet. And then, of course, you could have extra targets. It could be a very significantly profitable trade. We were just giving a live demo here, and bingo. What a beautiful magnet. That's an explosion, exactly the way you want to see a magnet work. So, I have to say, today's Trade of the Week is the magnet trade in our live Stream of the Week webinar. Thanks everybody for watching. Had a great time doing it, having the webinar. We're going to do it more often and stream on YouTube. It's a lot of fun. It's a great way to get questions going, get people involved. And thanks everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you all in the trade room. Don't forget about our trial. For just $24, you can join up with us for a full month. www.gotrade2024.com. There you go. Hope you're all having a great weekend, like I said, and I'll see you in the trade room next week. Leigh Goldstein for 10 Minute Trades, signing out.